Fiona here with my January BoxyCharm. So excited. Let's see what's inside. I have opened up the box just to get the card out. BoxyCharm Fresh Start for January 2021. I got it out so I could figure out what the retail value was. I paid $25 for it. Free shipping. Here's the inside. Well, there's the inside, BoxyCharm, and that's what it looks like. Okay, let's see what the first thing is. Pharmacy. I like pharmacy. That's pharmacy with an F. Deep Sweet Pore Cleaning Toner. Love toner. You know I love toner. Pore Cleaning Toner with moringa and papaya. Okay, there we go. Let's see what it says about this. Alcohol-free, 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oils without overstripping skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne-prone skin. Well, I don't have acne and my skin's not really oily, but I still like toner. $28. And I like pharmacy. Let's see how much is in here. 4 fluid ounces. That's good. Ooh, look how pretty on the top, papaya. All right, let's see what it looks like inside. Okay. Oh, it's a glass bottle and it's very heavy. There you go. It's a fresh green color. It must be sealed because nothing is coming out. Come on. No, nothing is coming out. So it must be sealed. There's a plastic seal on it. And I'm not going to mess with it. But it looks really nice. So you just put it on a cotton pad, and toner is really good for after you've cleansed your face at night, and it's really good after you've cleansed your face in the morning before you put on makeup, because it does clean out your pores. And you should always use toner before you do a facial. It prepares your skin for a facial. Very, very nice. I like toner. That is a definite win for me. Okay, next, Trust Fund. Like Trust Fund, I've had lipstick in Trust Fund. Lipgasm. You know, why do they always have to make something sexual? There's so many beautiful words in the English vocabulary. Do we have to always make it with the sexual orientation? I don't understand. Brilliant lip gloss. Be beautiful, be ethical, be unapologetically yourself. Okay, I use a little butter knife to get into these things. Oh, it's a pretty color. There you go. I'm not gonna swipe it because I have so many lipsticks, but it's really a pretty peach color. I'd call that peach. Let's see what it says. Trust Fund Beauty Lip Gloss. A sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. HR is already sweating. Stupid. $18. Okay, that's pretty. I don't mind that. But I have so many lipsticks. But Trust Fund is a really nice lip product. I've had Trust Fund before. Okay, what's next? Dr. Brandt, another brand that I like. Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Now, I don't know whether it's going to say that this is cruelty-free. Doesn't say, because I always say that Dr. Brandt is not always cruelty-free, although the last product we got in Ipsy from Dr. Brandt was cruelty-free. Let's see, Dr. Brandt. I always like eye creams. Eye creams are good. Do not age with Dr. Brandt. Well, it's too late for that. Triple peptide eye cream, deeply hydrating peptide powered cream, helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. Okay, I will use this. Do not age with Dr. Brandt. Well, I needed this several years ago, but that's okay. Now, whenever you do an eye cream, I mean, you all know that you should use your ring finger, this one, to put on your eye cream. And when you put on your eye cream, you should pat it in, but too many people only put it like directly underneath the eye. You should pat it in and put it all the way down to your eye socket, okay? Because that's where you really get the wrinkles too. And then you should work it out to out here, because that's where what they call crow's feet comes. So when you put on your eye cream, you don't need a whole lot, you just need a little bit. But put it on your ring finger and gently pat it out to here and pat it down to that bone underneath there and work it all the way out. And then if I have any left on my hands, on my fingers, I always go down here and get my smile lines, because I figure if it's good for under the eyes, it's good for here, but you just need a little tiny bit. And eye creams should last you a long time. And eye cream can be very expensive. Let's see what Dr. Brandt charges. Yeah, $82. That's expensive for Dr. Brandt, but I do like Dr. Brandt. So that's the Dr. Brandt eye cream for $82. Okay, what else did I get here? Pure, I like Pure. 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. Broad spectrum, SPF 20, large, well, that's just a different language saying broad spectrum. It does have a seal on it, tinted moisturizer. So this is just moisturizer it'll give you light coverage. And it says, well, I guess that's the color down there, but it's not going to give you a lot of coverage. It's like what we got in Ipsy that I showed you the other day, that, I forget what, here's my notes, what was that? The Laura Geller Hydrating Foundation, and people said it didn't give a lot of coverage. Well, it was mostly hydrating, and that's what this is. But I like Pure, that's a good brand. So that's good, I like that. I'm not gonna open it, there's a seal on it. So, but that's a nice product, I'm happy with that. Okay, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, did I get 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, this is the 5th one. Violet Voss, now that's another brand that I like. I've gotten several eye palettes from Violet Voss, and I like her eye palettes. And it says Violet Voss eyeshadows, olive you forever. Oh, get it? I love you, all of you forever. And see, I like green eyeshadows, if these are greens. In fact, I have a green on today. I have green eyes, and I like green eyeshadows. Not everybody likes green eyeshadows, but I do. Well, they aren't really greens, but they're good colors for people who have, well, I think they'd be good colors for almost anybody. There's a mirror there, so I'll try not to blind you. But those are really pretty colors. I really like these. There's some metallics down, oh, there goes the thing. Down this side are metallics, and it looks like across there are metallics. And then, yes, down, well, heck, down there are metallics, and across there are metallics, and then the others are mattes that match. Really pretty mattes that are in the peachy browns and dark green excuse me, and some lighter shades. I'd get a lot of use out of this. I will use this. I like this a lot. Let me swipe a few. Hold on, I gotta wipe off my hand here. Let my hand dry. So while that's drying, I will tell you I added it up, and for my $25 BoxyCharm, it was $197 value of $197 value. $197 value, which I give this BoxyCharm a 5 out of 5 because I will use every single thing. Maybe not the lip gloss, although I'll put that away. I might use that. You know, that's a nice color for spring or summer. So I might use that. But every single thing, every other thing, I will definitely use. And remember, with my Ipsy, I gave it a 3 out of 5, and it was worth $156. BoxyCharm, way ahead of Ipsy this month. And I'm finding that BoxyCharm is really beating Ipsy every month. So I'm really thinking next month I get the Ipsy Plus X, and that was $55. Now I always get the BoxyCharm Plus, I forget what it's called, but it's the big BoxyCharm, and I'll get that in March. And I'm always happy with that. So I'll wait and see, but if I'm not like thrilled with Ipsy in the next month or two, I'm gonna cut Ipsy off because I really like the BoxyCharm more. Hold on, I'm gonna swipe a few and put them on my hand. Okay, let's see if I can show you now. This, all right, which way should I show you? Okay, this one, I did it stupid, didn't I? All right, this one right here is Charmed. I did the lightest one first. Okay, right there. That is Wishful. That's the next to the lightest one. Then I did Winked. That's the very light one. Then I did Charmed, which is the darkest one. Charmed, which is the dark one. You know, they all make it look so easy. Charmed, which is the dark one right there. And then I did Endless Desire, which is kind of the rusty one. And then I did Infatuated right there, which is like the medium one. Hold on, Wishful, Winked, Charmed, Endless Desire. Okay, there we go, that's better. Wishful, Winked, Charmed, Endless Desire, and Infatuated. Those are all the mattes. Now I'm going to do the other hand. Hold on. Okay, this one is, let's see. This one is All of Me. This one is All of You. All of Me, All of You. Then this one is Juicy. That's the gold one. Juicy. Then this one is Lovebird. Lovebird. And then this one is Olive Glow. Let me do Olive Glow again. That's olive glow right there. The metallics are pretty. They're all pretty. And they all are well pigmented, I think. I'm gonna really like this one. I'm really gonna like this one, so I'm gonna practice swatching the colors. I need to do better. So I need to practice that. Okay, so that's what I got in my BoxyCharm. Let's recap what I got for $197. Well, I only paid $25, okay. So I got the Trust Fun lip gloss, vegan, cruelty-free. That I like that, okay. Got that in that hot peach color. Then I got the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. And I like that, I'll use that. Then I got the Dr. Brandt eye cream for $82. You know, they always put one thing in these subscription boxes that are like real high price, so they boost up the retail value. That, I don't know whether if you really went into a store to buy this that it would be $82, because I'm not sure anybody would really pay $82 for this, but you know, that's what they say. How much is in here? 0.5 ounces for $82, although eye cream is really expensive, but still. So they always put one thing in there, like in the Ipsy, it was that brow tool set for $56. Okay, but anyway, but I'm happy with the eye cream, so that's all right with me. And then I got the Pharmacy pore cleaning toner with the papaya and moringa. And don't ask me what moringa is, because I don't know. But I like Pharmacy. You know what I really like with Pharmacy is their cleansing balm. You get it at Sephora. It's wonderful. It comes in a tub, and it's green, and it smells wonderful, and it really does a wonderful job at taking off your makeup. That's Pharmacy. And Pharmacy, it's not real expensive, but it's a little pricey. And then the Violet Voss, which I really like, Violet Voss eyeshadow. All of Me, All of You Forever, with all the pretty colors, okay? So that's my BoxyCharm for January 2021. Love it all. I'm very happy. 5 out of 5. So thank you very much for visiting me today. Remember to please subscribe. Remember, I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And I would really appreciate it if you would comment, give me a thumbs up, like, and share. And that's about it. Remember to be kind to everyone, because there's a lot of crazies out there.